Hello. Previously, we have learned how to create a variable and we give it a name. Let's say we have a variable called name and I'm assigning the value to it, Ali. Now, if I need to print that variable, print, and I will say name. Whenever I run this, each time I'm running it, it displays just Ali. Now, we need to twist our program and make it every time I'm clicking on run, the computer will ask me to enter a name. So how do we do that? We don't give it the name. We say simply input. Okay, and we open and close the parentheses. Right, let's run it now. You see, it's now printing nothing and it's waiting for me to enter a name. So let's enter a name, Ahmed, and remember the quotations, otherwise you will have an error. Enter. Okay, so the name now stored in name is Ahmed. Let's do it again. Ali, of course, should be placed between the quotations. Okay, let's run it one more time. Now let's say input another one of a number equal to input. Let's run it. Now, I don't know what to enter, by the way. Why? Because it says nothing over here, yani nothing is clear. I don't know what to enter. Do I need to enter the age or the name or a number? I'm not quite sure. So that will get confused. So I'm entering a number now. I don't know. Entering another thing like a name. We don't know, right? So it's better to use something called statements that tell us what exactly we need to do. Now, any input from the keyboard will be considered as a string. So over here, the input for the name, I need to tell the user, please, أو خلينا نعملها as a question. What is your name? Now, over here, let's make this age. And I need to say, what is your age? Okay. So now, what is your age is done. Now, the age over here is a number. So we need to make all of this as an integer. So we place the brackets around it. And we need to make it as an integer. Remember casting from last time? Okay, now let's print over here. Your name is, comma, name. And we print the same statement again, but your age is age. Let's run this program. See how more professional it is. It's now asking, what is your name? You see, nothing else is printed. Now, input is printing also, yes. Now, it's printing, what is your name? And it's waiting for me to enter. Now, should place it, remember, the name between the quotations. So, I will say, my name is Abdulrahman, quotation closed. Now, it's not working. What's your name? It works now. What is your age? Okay, now let's see how it works. You see, it's asking me, what is your name? I need to enter Ali. What is your age? 15. Your name is Ali, your age is 15. Let's do it one more time. What's your name? Ahmed. What's your age? 25. You noticed the name was entered between the quotations and the number was entered as a number. Now let's run it again. What's your name? My name is Saeed. Remember the quotations. Your age is 14. Your name is Saeed. Your age is 14. So you can see now the name variable each time is asking me to enter the input statement. Let's find also one more variable. Let's say number 1 equal to also input, and this input need to say enter we need to enter a decimal number. Okay, enter a decimal number, and we need to make this number a float. So all of this should be placed as we make this one an integer. We need to make it over here a float. So we need to cast it to float. Okay, let's run it again. What's your name? Zaid. What's your age? 13. What? Enter a decimal number. Look, if I enter 15, oh, by mistake, 15, we have to do it again. What's your name? Your age? Decimal number 12.5. Okay, so everything is printed, but I need to print also your decimal number is your number 1 is num1. This is how it works. So your name is, if I enter the name, here's the name, age is 44, and decimal number is 15.98. So you can see name is your age is 44 and your num1 is 15.98. You can see over here we have done ask the user to enter his name, ask the user to enter his age. You are the user. Update the age by adding 2. Okay, we need to update the age by adding 2. So if I say over here, down here, I wanted to update the age. Remember how we update the age? I will say age equal to age plus 2, or we do it the short form. It's up to you. If we need to do it the short form, we say plus equal 2. Let's try it again now. What is your name? I didn't forget to put the quotations. Now what is your age? 15. It should print what? 17, right? Decimal number 15.5. You can see the age was added by 2, updated by 2, because over here we said age plus equal 2, or you can say again age plus 2. So it's totally up to you. Okay, we've done also this one. Now using one print function to display the values of all variables with an appropriate message. Now over here they are asking me to use one print function. I have used 3 print functions, so that's fine. We just need to delete those and put a comma. So let's read what's in the print statement. Look, print, and then it will print whatever between the quotations. Your name is, then a comma will give a space, then the name, which is stored in that variable, then a space, the comma. Okay, then your age is, comma, will give a space, then age, then a comma, then your num1 is this num1. Now let's find out and click run. What is your name? My name is Muhammad. Okay, your age is 12. Remember, the age will be added by 2. Your name is Saeed. Your age is 14. Decimal number is 15.8. Now see, your name is Saeed. Your age is 16 because it's 14 and added by 2. Your num1 is 15.8. I hope that clarifies everything about the second task. Of course, take a screenshot and place it there.